What's going on, people? This is my first POV drive. I'm pretty much I'm just testing out this camera for the most part. It's my first POV. I got the little head harness on for the GoPro, so just checking it out, man. Tell me what y'all think. But yeah, I mean, pretty much on this video, y'all, I'm gonna just talk about the my 2,000 mile pretty much update. I hit a little over 2,000 miles. Just gonna tell y'all about the car, pretty much, and how it's going. The car is great. Like I said, in 2016, I had a oh man, this thing is so hard to. Yeah, in 2016, I had a Dodge Challenger, SXT Challenger, y'all, and it was a very nice car as well, base model. I knew nothing about Dodge, right? So as I had the car, I was like learning about Dodge, researching it. So I figured out what a Scat pack was, a RT and all that. So I ended up going for the Scat pack. Now I had this car 3 months, man. But the car is great itself, man. I like it because it's like 3 or 4 different cars in one. You got the different transmissions modes. You got street track, you got street track, you have sport mode, and like with that you able to, and you have the eco mode. Like right now I'm driving the eco mode. It's like pretty much no horsepower, like maybe like 300 and something like that. And then if you want to turn it up, you go into like track, which really for the track, and you got the sport mode, which is you know, if you know, on the street, you like road race or, you know, something like that, you just want to like show out a little bit, so, you know. But yeah, the car is great. And people talk about gas is not that bad. Gas is not that bad at all, man. I feel like, you know, people like, oh, the gas, it depends on how you drive. With the gas, it's like if you driving sport mode all the time, right, and you just hitting it like as soon as you come off of like a red light, or if you just run, like keep accelerating, of course you go kill a gas easily. But if you drive comfortable, if you just drive normal regular accelerations from a light, and or you keep a consistent speed or whatever, like I travel probably to work to the house about there and back, maybe like about 15 miles a day or something like that, maybe. And do that 5 to 6 days. I only put in like $20 worth of gas. That get me through the whole 5 or 6 days. I mean, you see now I'm on, but I'm like, I got 42 miles left in the gallon. That'll get me through the next day, tomorrow and a Sunday. So it just depends on how you drive. Now, when I know I'm going somewhere like on the weekend or whatever, I you know, I put a little more gas. I know I'm gonna drive harder. I know I'm gonna put in the sport mode and like show out. But like I said, a great car. Great car, man. If you want the Scat, go for it, man. Like I said, they got Dodge Power dollars right now. It's $1,000 off per horsepower, y'all. Like, do it, man. Great car, man. But that's pretty much all I got to say. I have not had an oil change. I think they say I have 58% oil life. So I think got into like 5,000 miles or something like that, to look into it. But yeah, y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, y'all. Please do that for me. Hit the notification bell. All Dodge content, man. Check y'all out. Yeah.